Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on and any of the following three codes. I'm talking about code P0125, P0126 or code P0128. Stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. And if you don't fix it the correct way, you can severely overheat your engine, damage it, and you may end up needing a new engine. So make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain what to do guys. Another thing, always guys, always follow certain procedure when working on your Hyundai with the electrical system, coolant systems, otherwise you can cause damage and we will explain as we go. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys, everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically guys, this right here is a Hyundai Sonata 2013 model. We have the engine air filter box removed and we're going to actually remove that intake hose, and if you see right here on the bottom you have a thermostat housing, and that's where your thermostat will be located, right here. This is the thermostat, and most likely guys, if you have any of these codes, it indicates that one of the things is that most likely 90% of the time you have a bad thermostat, but it could be something else and we'll explain what it is. That thermostat guys regulates the coolant temperature and how hot the engine is running. So it has an optimum temperature, let's say I think this one is at 82 degrees Celsius, and it needs to keep it at that temperature so the engine is efficient, it's not polluting, and it's economical guys. If it's out of that range, you can get any of these codes such as code 125, 126 or 128. Now the most common thing is bad thermostat, but what else can cause that now? Let's explain guys. Before we continue, let me show you which computer we use for diagnostics. We constantly get comments in the comment section below, you guys asking which computer we recommend. It works on almost any car you can think of. Hyundai is right here. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. But what's cool about that computer, you can access every computer in your Hyundai Sonata, and this Hyundai Sonata has 17 computers. You can read codes, delete codes, and see live data for every computer, which makes it super convenient guys. Now, if you want to see how to replace thermostat, the video is on our channel. How to replace thermostat on Hyundai Sonata. If you don't do it right, guys, you can overheat your engine and damage it to the point that you may need to even replace it. Because you need to follow certain procedure. Check it out, we will explain that in that video. Another thing that can cause any of this code is a faulty coolant temperature sensor. We have a video how to replace and test coolant temperature sensor as well. Check it out. If that sensor is bad guys, what will happen? It may send the wrong information to the engine computer about the coolant temperature, and the engine computer may think the engine is running cool when actually it's hot, and it can actually think you have a bad thermostat, but actually you have a bad sensor. 90% of the time will be the thermostat. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.